Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of InstaViral, which launched on the 15th of September at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release from Mike from Maine and Brett Ritecki, which is all about a sneaky software that instantly forces you to go viral and get a massive amount of free traffic to any website, page or link that you want. And it does so by creating small mini viral contests that will encourage people to share the link to get more entries in that particular competition that you're running, and in return for that you will get a flood of viral traffic. And you will see the demo video from Mike where he gives you a case study with actual examples of how powerful this is. Now, rather than just driving traffic to the competition link, you can actually send people after they have clicked to enter the competition to any page that you like. So this will work whether you're looking to promote your website or blog, if you're looking to promote affiliate offers, if you're looking to promote e-commerce offers, or pretty much any link that you want to send people to, or if you're just looking to build a huge list by running the contest. So a versatile product and very good software, as you would expect from Mike and Brett. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up InstaViral from the link immediately underneath my review video. Also, from the start of September, anyone that picks up any of my recommended affiliate products will automatically be enrolled, if you want to be, in my video coaching mentorship program. Each week I'll be sending out 2 videos training on different aspects of affiliate and internet marketing. If you like the sound of that, once you're in, you're in. It's just a one-time purchase, and then you're permanently in this mentorship program. Then all you need to do is to send me a copy of your receipt from this product to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. I'll put that address also underneath the affiliate link, but I'll give it to you one more time. Just send me an email with the subject line video mentorship and include your receipt, and send it to contact@elitetigersgroup.org, and you will be a member and get the videos that go out from that moment on. As far as the bonuses for this product are concerned, you'll get them if you click on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. As usual, I don't want that to happen, folks, because as the title suggests, they're custom bonuses. This is a big release. There's going to be lots of people pushing InstaViral today, so do feel free to go and see what others are offering, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit different to anyone else's. So what is InstaViral all about? Do you want 100% free traffic without doing any work? When we say no work, there is a little bit of work involved in setting this up, but once you've set a contest up, it tends to take on a life of its own, and it will run and get you a load of free traffic. So it's sort of half true. Sneaky software instantly forces you to go viral and get a massive amount of free traffic to any website, page or link that you want. Step 1 is setting up your viral machine, so that's sorting out your contest and your giveaway. Step 2 is cranking up the traffic wheel, and step 3 is watching the traffic come in. The 2 live tests that they did, the first test produced 453 sign-ups and then 1,311 visits to the link that they were pushing. And then the second live test, slightly fewer sign-ups at 423, almost identical, but even more visits to the URL they were pushing, 1,752. And again, you'll see this in the demo video. So I said it will work whatever you're looking to push, even if you're pushing an offline product. Affiliate marketing, obviously, if you're pushing your coaching services, blogging, selling your own product, or for e-com, this method will work for absolutely anyone. All right, we'll come back and go through the rest of the sales page in a moment and also have a look at the upsells. But first, I just want to deal with these bonuses. So when you click through on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording will be in here. What's InstaViral all about? It allows you to get a ton of traffic. It's cloud-based viral software, so there's no need for any hosting or a domain name. You'll be able to create these mini contests using the existing software in the site, and you won't need to host them yourself. Step-by-step training, so easy, anyone can do it. 100% of everything's included. There's no hidden costs. It's proven to work. I've seen this method used countless times. It is very effective. No paid traffic, absolutely not. That's the benefit of it. No SEO needed because it's going to go viral. No need to have a social following because other people will share it on your behalf. What am I going to give you? By the way, the demo video will be actually on the sales page, not on my bonus page this time, so I wasn't actually able to share the video. So I'll show you where that is in just a minute, folks. But this is what I'm going to give you. Obviously, to maximize the InstaViral method, the more free traffic you can get, the better to initially send to your competition offers. So the first thing that I'm doing is giving you as many sort of traffic sources as I can. So first, this hack, well, they're not really hacks, they're actual methods that are working at the moment. I've called them hacks, but 4 free website traffic super hacks that are working in 2019. Secondly, 45 viral video super hacks, little hacks that you can do to create deceptive videos. I don't mean deceptive in a deceptive, I mean they're deceptive in that they look like something different to what they are. It's sort of a bit of a magic thing going on here with some of them. You'll see what I mean when you watch it, but it's 45 ways to create videos that will arouse interest. Crazy traffic explosion, how to drive 100 to 500 clicks a day to any link you want. The next bonus is get 1 million website visitors in 1 month to any link that you want, any website rather. And finally, just this sort of more scientific explanation on how videos actually go viral for those of you that want to know exactly how this works and maybe are a bit more techie. You'll enjoy this description from a leading YouTube creator. So they are my 5 custom bonuses, which I hope you can see add a bit of additional value to the front end offer. I should have said that the sales video, again, the only place you can watch that is here. So do watch this video from Mike when you first click through onto the sales page. And then also there's Mike and Brett, by the way. As I said, you don't need a list or anything for this method to work. And this is the demo video, so do watch this, folks. Yeah.
Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I want to show you some of the results of the live tests that we ran with InstaViral.
All right, so do watch this, folks. It's only available there. As I said, you can use this whatever type of business and URL you're looking to promote. 2 bonuses, not a hugely lengthy sales page, you'll be pleased to know, but they are really, really good bonuses, folks, because they are giving you access to 2 of their previous products, both of which were bestsellers. So Videes is an alternative video software. The big advantage of using Videes is that you remove the advertising that appears at the bottom of YouTube videos. I don't know, you've probably noticed the issue when you record a YouTube video. At the end of that, YouTube will attempt to send people to more alternative videos that either you or other people have recorded, and obviously take them away from what you actually want them to do, which is to click on the link to your offer underneath that video. So it's really, really useful product. Yeah, it was a bestseller earlier this year. And secondly, My Mail It email software, again, this was a huge bestseller earlier this year. So you're getting 2 top quality products there. 14-day money back guarantee. In terms of the price, the buy button, I actually recorded this before it went live, but the buy button will be there, be $27 during the launch period, folks. Yeah. In terms of the upsells, so with the front end product, you can create 10 contests to run at any one time. Yeah, so that's not 10 permanent, you're not limited to 10, but you can only run 10 at once. If you really want to max it out and run loads of contests simultaneously, and why not, because that will help you to build a huge list, then go for the Pro upgrade, which is the first upsell, which is $67, and that will get you, removes that limit, and also gets you some live mastermind training. The third upsell is agency access. You can sell the product and the funnel as your own and keep 100% of the products with everything done for you. That's $67. That's cheap for reseller rights, agency access. And finally, a marketing bundle for $297, which actually gives you access to 14 of Brett's top cloud-based software products, including the OTO upgrades that came with those products. So that, folks, is a really, really good deal. So that's pretty much it, folks. I think that you will get a lot of value from this product. It will certainly help you with your list building and with, driving traffic to whatever offers you're looking to promote. All you need to do to get these bonuses, the additional bonuses from me, is click on any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on the buy button there, and then that will bring you into the back office of JVZoo. This one's on JVZoo. So click on the green button there to access your copy of InstaViral, and click on your blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is pretty much all there is to that. All there is for me to do then is to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do click on the button underneath to subscribe, and you'll be informed every time I bring out a new release, a new review. But until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of InstaViral.